Stop sign.
Stop at the intersection and wait for your turn.
Construction zone sign.
Drive with caution. Construction work is in progress.
Yield sign.
Yield to oncoming traffic and proceed with caution.
Speed limit sign.
Observe the posted speed limit for your safety.
No entry sign.
Entry is prohibited. Do not enter.
No U-turn sign.
U-turns are not allowed at this point.
No left turn sign.
Left turns are prohibited at this intersection.
No right turn sign.
Right turns are not allowed at this junction.
School zone sign.
Be cautious. Children may be crossing the road.
Bicycle lane sign.
Indicates a designated lane for bicycles.
Roundabout sign.
Prepare to enter and yield to traffic already in the roundabout.
No parking sign.
Parking is not allowed in this area.
Handicap parking sign.
Reserved parking for individuals with disabilities.
Slippery road sign.
The road ahead may be slippery. Reduce your speed.
Deer crossing sign.
Be alert for deer crossing the road.
No overtaking sign.
Do not pass other vehicles on this stretch of road.
Railroad crossing sign.
Prepare to stop for an oncoming train.
Merge sign.
Merge into the indicated lane smoothly and safely.
Traffic signal ahead sign.
Be prepared to stop at the upcoming traffic signal.
Crosswalk sign.
Pedestrians have the right of way at this designated crossing.
No horn sign.
Horns should not be used in this area.
No bicycles allowed sign.
Bicycles are not allowed on this road.